wrong. Okay, 6.7, applications involving colors and routes. And actually it starts out with just plugging and chugging on the Pythagorean theory. And then there's applications that has like the Pythagorean theory and stuff in it. So this one, all you gotta do is plug it into this. A is 3, so 3 squared plus b squared would be 5 squared equals c squared. 3 squared is 9. 5 squared? 25. So 9 plus 25? 34. So the exact answer is square root of 34, because you square root both sides to get rid of the square. Now go ahead and put in your calculator, give me to 3 decimal places. That's the normal thing that they'll ask for, is find it to 3 decimal places.
5.8309.
5.83 what?
8309.
09? That's not 3 places.
Oh, 3 places. Oh.
It's 1, right?
1.09.
Yeah, 09 would be 1. So that's the approximate, that's the exact. And we're only doing 2 of these, doing where we have an A and B, and I'm doing one where you have a C. Okay, so A squared would be 4 squared root of 5 squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, to square 4 square root of 5, you do 4 squared is 16. Square root of 5 squared is 5. 10 times 10 is 100. 16 times 5, 80. And then we do what? Subtract 80. B squared is 20. So the exact answer is,
4.47.
well, the exact. The exact is square root of 20. What is the approximate?
4.47.
I can't hear.
472.
And you rounded
The next one's a 1. So.
to 1? Okay. 4.472. Okay. So these are actually applications, but a lot of the applications will have Pythagorean theory. They'll have, what is a Pythagorean theory referred to? Do you remember? Right triangles. Right? So you're going to have right triangles in word problems. Remember the A and the B is the legs, the C is the hypotenuse. Okay? So you're going to have word problems that have right angles in them. Okay, here's a word problem that uses Pythagorean theory. Here's a softball diamond, which is actually a square. It's just a square with the tips, the plates on the tips, right? Okay, a softball diamond is 65 feet on every side. It's a square that's 65 feet everywhere. How far is it from home plate to second base? So how far is it from here to here? Do you see a right angle, a right triangle there?
130.
See the right triangle? Right there. And it said that it's 65 on every side, so every one of these are 65. That means the A and the B are 65s. See that? this will be our hypotenuse, this is our C. So we need to know what 65 squared is. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. What's 65 squared?
4225.
4225? So you add that up, it's 8450?
Yeah.
So the exact distance is square root of 850, which will make a lot of sense to us because we want to know in feet. We don't want to know square root. So what is square root of 8450 to the third 3 decimal places?
No.
31.923, or 4, it would be 4.
Rounds up to 4. And this was in feet. So this is how many feet it is from home plate to second base in a softball diamond. It's about right there. You could take it to more places, but that's close enough. It's almost 92 feet, right? Okay. Here we have a couple triangles that says which one has the biggest area. Well, we could figure out area of a triangle if we knew, let's see, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. What do we not have? We have a base, we don't have a height.
Is that which one has a larger area?
Yeah, greater. They use the greater sign for larger.
This one.
Yeah, greater, larger. So we don't have the heights, do we? We have a base, but we don't have a height. Do you see a right triangle yet? Anywhere? The height is a right triangle, isn't it? The height should be at a right triangle to the base. So we have A, B, and C. Okay? So this should be half, since these are exact, it should be half of this, so this would be 15 and 15. This one would be 20 and 20, right? So let's do this triangle. 15 and 25. So we need to find this height. So we've got A squared plus 15 squared equals 25 squared. What's 15 squared
225,
and 25 squared?
625.
So subtract 225. 400. So A would be square root of 400 is 20. Okay, so the height of this one is 20. We're not going to figure the area yet, let's just do both heights. This one we have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So A squared plus 400 equals 625, right? 20 is 400, 25 is 625. Subtract 400, A squared is 225. So what's A? 15. Okay, so this one is 1/2. The base is the whole base of this triangle, 30 times the height of 20, right? This one is 1/2. The base is 40 and the height is 15. So which one has a greater